Involution and Evolution by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The concepts of involution and evolution have been widely discussed and debated in various fields of study, including philosophy, biology, psychology, and spirituality. These two terms represent contrasting yet interconnected processes that have been the subject of much contemplation and analysis throughout history. The involution of the human spirit into matter in the form of a physical body is posited in Blavatskyan Theosophy as a central principle in human evolution. Involution can be understood as the inward or spiralling descent of a process, entry or system into something which acts as a vehicle or empowerment. It involves a movement towards the core or essence, often associated with introspection, self-reflection and the uncovering of hidden truths. In all cases, something can be gained from the journey, such as spiritual progress in the case of humanity, which descends as spirit into physical form. In contrast, evolution signifies a progressive development or unfolding, typically characterized by growth, adaptation, and the emergence of new forms or qualities. While involution emphasizes the internalization and deepening of existing attributes, evolution highlights the externalization and advancement of those attributes. In the realm of philosophy, involution and evolution have been central themes in the works of thinkers such as Hegel, Schopenhauer, and Sri Aurobindo. Hegel's dialectical method, for instance, posits a movement of involution and evolution in the development of consciousness and history. According to Hegel, the involutionary process involves the internalization of abstract concepts, leading to their concretization and evolution into higher forms of understanding. Schopenhauer, on the other hand, emphasized the inward journey of the will through asceticism and contemplation as a means of transcending the cycle of suffering and achieving enlightenment. Sri Aurobindo's integral yoga also incorporates the idea of involution as a descent of the divine into the material world, followed by the evolutionary ascent towards a divine realization. In the field of biology, involution and evolution are fundamental concepts in the study of life and its development. Evolution, as elucidated by Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection, underscores the gradual adaptation and diversification of species over successive generations. This process of evolution is driven by genetic variation, environmental pressures, and reproductive success, leading to the survival of the best adapted. In contrast, involution in biology can be seen in phenomena such as embryonic development, where the unfolding of genetic information leads to the differentiation and specialization of cells, tissues, and organs within an organism. Involution also plays a role in the aging process, as cells and tissues undergo a regressive or inward transformation over time. Psychology offers insights into the internal and external dynamics of involution and evolution within the human mind and behavior. Carl Jung, a prominent figure in analytical psychology, explored the concept of individuation as a process of involution, wherein individuals delve into the depths of their unconscious to integrate repressed aspects of the self and achieve wholeness. This inward journey is paralleled by the evolutionary development of consciousness and personality, leading to a more integrated and expanded sense of self. Additionally, the field of developmental psychology examines the progressive changes in cognition, emotion, and behavior across the lifespan, highlighting the evolutionary nature of human growth and maturation. Spiritual traditions across the world have long contemplated the themes of involution and evolution in the context of inner transformation and transcendence. In Hindu philosophy, the concept of involution is encapsulated in the idea of Atman, the individual soul, realizing its essential unity with Brahman, the universal consciousness. This inward realization is complemented by the evolutionary journey of the soul through cycles of birth and rebirth known as samsara. Similarly, in Sufism, the mystical path involves the involution of the seeker's consciousness towards a divine source, followed by an evolutionary ascent towards union with the divine. These spiritual perspectives emphasize the interconnectedness of involution and evolution in the quest for self-realization and spiritual awakening. In Blavatsky Theosophy, the term involution refers to the descent of the immortal part of man into matter to gain experience, and this concept is extended to cover the consciousness present in all matter, whether organic or inorganic. Theosophy regards humanity as spiritual beings who, while in incarnation, are having physical experiences, and that this is an essential part of the evolutionary learning process. During the descent into matter, spiritual beings gradually lose their connection to higher realms and become more entangled in the physical world. This process involves a deep immersion into material existence, leading to a sense of separation from the divine source. As beings descend further into matter, they experience a heightened sense of individuality and physicality, often losing touch with their spiritual essence. This descent is a necessary step in the journey of involution, allowing beings to fully experience and understand the complexities of the material world before assimilating the experiences after physical death. Involution and evolution are complementary and intertwined aspects of a unified whole. The inward movement of involution provides the depth and foundation necessary for the outward movement of evolution to unfold and flourish. In this sense, involution sets the stage for evolution, just as introspection and self-awareness lay the groundwork for personal growth and development. Conversely, the outward expansion of evolution enriches and diversifies the inner realms of involution, fostering new potentials and possibilities for self-expression and realization. The exploration of involution and evolution holds profound implications for the understanding of the world and ourselves. By recognizing the interplay of these processes in various domains, we can gain insight into the cyclical and progressive nature of existence, from the microcosmic to the macrocosmic levels. Moreover, understanding involution and evolution can inform our approach to personal and collective transformation, encouraging us to engage in both inward reflection and outward action in the pursuit of growth and fulfillment. In conclusion, the concepts of involution and evolution offer rich avenues for inquiry and contemplation across diverse fields of knowledge. Whether in philosophy, biology, psychology, or spirituality, the interwoven dynamics of involution and evolution invite us to explore the depths of our being and the heights of our becoming. As we navigate the intricate interplay of these processes, we may discover new dimensions of insight and understanding, illuminating the path towards a more holistic and integrated way of being in the world.